Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a template out of Carousel post in Canva. So let's get started. So once you have created your complete template, before sharing it, make sure that you have removed your personal pictures. Also make sure you have not added any private credentials and make sure that the text holders don't hold any sort of private data. Make sure that the layout is clean and structured. So once everything is perfect, you're going to head over to share over here and then scroll down. You'll be able to see template link. If you're not able to see template link over here, you're going to click on see all and then click on template link. After that, you're going to click on create template link, and now it's going to create a link for you. You're going to copy this and you can send it to whoever you want. Now let's check this template link. You can go to a new tab and paste the template link in the search bar. Now when you press enter, you'll be taken over to the same template that you just created. So that was basically how you can create a template out of Carousel post in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.